Software Spring. Presents. How to use PMT to calculate monthly savings in Google Sheets. Hello folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial, which gives the steps to use the PMT function to calculate the monthly savings required to reach a financial goal. Here's an intro to PMT. PMT stands for payment. PMT can calculate the monthly savings required to reach a financial goal, or calculate the monthly payments to repay a loan. In this tutorial, we will use PMT to calculate the monthly savings. Let's take a look at the syntax of the PMT function formula. Here is an example. Rate is the annual interest rate. Divide the interest rate by 12 to get the monthly interest rate. Number of periods is the number of payment periods. Specify the number of periods by multiplying the year by 12. Present value is the present value of the investment. Future value is optional and is the required amount at the end of the payment period. End or beginning has a value of either 0 or 1. 0 means payments are made at the end of each period. 1 means payments are made at the beginning of each period. Going forward, here's an objective of using the PMT function to calculate the monthly savings required to reach the financial goal of $50,000 in 1 year at 5% interest. Alright, we are all set to type the PMT function formula. First, type the equal to symbol, P, M, and select PMT. For rate, click this cell, type the / type 12 to get the monthly interest rate. Type comma. For number of periods, click this cell, type the multiplication operator, and type 12 to convert years into months. For present value, click this cell, assuming you do not have an initial deposit, and type comma. If you have an initial deposit, enter that as a negative value, because it will be a cash outflow. For future value, click this cell, and type the closing parenthesis. The final formula is. Press enter. There you go. PMT function has returned the monthly savings required to reach this financial target in 1 year. Now, say you already have an initial deposit of $5,000, which is the present value. Type that here as a negative value, and press enter. Alright, this is the monthly savings amount. Quick review. PMT function can return monthly amount to be saved every month to reach financial goal, or monthly amount for loan repayment. The PMT function formula is. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.